Guys, we're off to Sherman Island, baby. Let's go get them stripers. We're off to Sherman Island. Let's go get them stripers. The wind is about 10 miles per hour. High tide is coming in now since 5 o'clock, I believe. Ooh, it looks like cold, but let's do it. We can do this. Come on, buddy. It's been a while. What's going on?
I had to go catch me a stripper.
Last week you got him sturgeon.
Got me in my side, okay?
About to do it again. So what we got right now, guys, is some mudsuckers, and some live shad, and some anchovies and nut crawlers. So let's show you. Guys, welcome to another Mojo Outdoor Adventure and Travel. We're here at Sherman Island going for stripers, man. So we got some mudsuckers, some nut crawlers, some live shad, and some anchovies. Let's do this. Izzy, what's up, Izzy? Ready to get them fish? Yeah. The channel, please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more Mojo Outdoor Adventure and Travel. Thank you for your support. We reached 406 subscribers. Let's keep it going, guys. If we reach 500 subscribers, I got 2 gift cards that I'm gonna give away at 500 subscribers. $100 for Bass Pro Shop and $100 for Cabela's. And I might throw in another $100 for whatever, probably could be for Amazon, Target, whatever it is. Just let me know in the comment below what you think that we should do for the third prize. Show you what we got in our, what kind of bait that we have in our my pole and Izzy pole. This one I have a night crawler. This one on the TRD trail is mudsucker. Izzy got a mudsucker on there too. What you got on the other one? What you got on the other pole? Alright, let's see how we're gonna do, man. It's still early. It's cold. I need to give me a jacket. Look, he got my jacket over there, bro. He's just sitting free and comfortable, I guess. Bit on this one. These still, because usually the mudsucker takes a little while, but they'll come around. They'll come around. Come on, fish. Get him. Get him. Oh man, lots of fish on the night crawler on this one. We still got the mudsucker on these. What you put a night crawler on the one next to mine? Okay. All right, let's do it. Let's do it, baby. Thank God it's Friday, man. Yee, let's get it done. As he does it, optimistic today. Let me see that hat.
Cat. Cat.
It's getting dark, so we might end it here, but in case we caught a fish, you don't see it. If not, and then we sunk on a Friday. I hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more Mojo Outdoor Adventure and Travel. God bless, much love, peace. Hopefully we catch some fish. Alright, so we're switching this to anchovy. Let's try our luck, man. It's getting dark now. Come on, Ginger Bill. Come on. All right, we switched spot. What you got on your fishing pole?
Funyun.
Onions.
Yeah, I got a shad and a live mudsucker.
All right. Let's do that again, man. Hopefully fish on. Anchovy. Oh, he got a little shaker. Oh, he got off.
You see that?
Yep, I see them. Good job, buddy.
I got one.
Sure, you guys clean up after yourself, man. Clean up after yourself. Don't litter around where you go fishing, hunting, camping, whatever you do. Please keep California beautiful, man. Let's keep it, the rest of our country beautiful. So, Izzy caught one shaker, and we got 2 4-heads, and they're gone. Woo! This one on it too.
Oh, yeah, I got him.
There's another one. Oh, you got on the line. Got him! Izzy does it.
Might be a keeper.
Oh shit! We might have to. Oh, bring it here. Bring it over here. Come on. Oh baby, look at Izzy.
Fucking does it, bitch.
Oh shit! That might be a keeper. Let's see.
You get my phone?
Yep. No, you have it. People need to clean your trash, man. This is uncool. Here, measure it. Yeah, let's see. Hold him. We gotta hold him.
18.
Let's measure this sucker. 17. No, you gotta throw it back, baby.
Take a picture.
Izzy doesn't got it, but it's 17 inches. It's a 1 inch shoulder. I'm gonna throw it back in the water. Woo! What you got on, baby?
Got it with my cat. A little dirty bitch, but it's alright.